Welcome back to another video, everyone. So today we are removing the cross shaft from the RD4. And if you watched my last video, I think it's the last video, I removed this cross shaft out of the parts unit and I ended up breaking my brake pads because I didn't realize I could just unbolt them. So that's why we took it out of the parts unit first. You live and you learn, right? All right, let's get this other side apart. So we get these nuts off and then this brake shoe will separate so it doesn't catch on the way out. Something like that, I think. Alright, so the sun is abandoning us, but what we got to do is pry these drums over, and we should be able to undo those 4 bolts and get this out before it's dark. Now this side, a little more difficult because I have that chain in the way. All right, we'll get rid of these over locks. Man, looks like these locks have been out of here 1,000 times. And the way they've been reused. Oh, I can smell that old gear oil. Anybody that's pulled old bolts out knows exactly what I'm talking about. You'll never forget that smell. Oh boy, that's strong. Ooh. Don't mind me if I gag. I do have a pretty strong stomach, so I don't usually gag, but this is pushing it. Well, I suppose it's time we hook a strap on it and give it a yank. Man, is she dirty inside. Now I can just take the pressure washer and just wash the whole thing out. So there's the one out of it. Here's the parts machine, and this is the parts machine one. So this will be the one that goes back in. But I got to inspect the clutches. But that'll be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. It's kind of a short, sweet, quick little thing I wanted to get done after work today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. Really helps me out. And if you want to see more of this kind of content, smash that subscribe button. Thanks.